What's going on, man? It's Lauren with the TMF podcast. Look, man, it's not what I wanted to wake up to. I tried to do a video last night. We lost power here. And by the time it came back on, I was too tired. It was late. It was almost midnight. So I woke up to this. This is gross. AMC down 6% in the pre market, and it touched $50. And that's a disappointing thing to see this morning. And look, I woke up and I watched some of the videos that other people put out, and I'm just like, you gotta do better, man. I don't know where this is gonna go, but it doesn't look promising. The only part of this that looks anywhere near somewhat promising is the fact that it's still not in the 40s, which is what it is, man. It is what it is. They don't look. People keep telling you they got to do this, they got to do that. It looks bullish. They're gonna draw. Look, we can draw some freaking pennants on here. Look, oh my god, look at these lines. Bam! It has to go up. That doesn't mean shit. It doesn't. What could very well happen is we could end up building this. It's very possible that this just continues to be a bear flag. Look, we know the shorts amount of shorts out there is high, but as we can see with what's going on around us, it doesn't always matter. Clover Health sitting at damn $27. Last week, Clover Health was $8. It's up over 100% in one day. Yesterday was 85, now plus 22. You're over 100, and it's holding it, which is crazy. Freaking Wish down here, where'd it go? Hold on. Wish is sitting at 80. It's 50 and yeah, 81%. That's crazy. This AHT that we bought yesterday is sitting at 33%. And it's looking very bullish for the rest of the day. So what I'm saying is that yeah, maybe it's a distraction. maybe. Maybe it's just people like to make money. They don't like to lose money. And right now AMC is losing money. It's losing me a fucking lot of money, honestly. I made excuse me. I made a bunch on that run up. I made a decent profit, and then I just gave all of it and then some back in this call option. If you've been following me, you know I have these calls, these YOLOs, and here we are. So it's pretty disappointing. Disappointing to see, for sure. And I hope it turns around today. I can't hold them forever because it's killing me. It's absolutely killing me to hold these things. But I'm still holding them. I still have the shares and I still have the options. And one thing that we have seen, I'm going to point this out too before I end this video. So, one thing I will point out is when we see hits like this in our pre market, we generally do see a spike up afterwards. See this big dip, followed by a spike, followed by another dip in the pre market, followed by a spike. This is pretty common. AMC does not seem to want to continue to go up in the pre market very often. A lot of times we do see these dives. So I'm going to take it for what it is. Like I always say, the pre market doesn't really matter. Unless it's up like Clove or Wish or any of these other ones that are big, then yeah, that kind of does matter. But this one right here, this 5%, that could get eaten up in the next hour. It really could. This candle here, 700,000 volume, somehow drops the stock. Freaking, what is that, man? Look, 55. This is in a 1 hour. So in 1 hour, it drops the stock $5 with 700,000 volume. I don't fully comprehend how that's possible because right here, 58 to 52 is $6 and 43 million volume. I mean, I guess maybe because there's a bunch of buying pressure in there, and this is just solid selling pressure. Maybe that's what it is. It's crazy, man. Look, I'm obviously in need of some water. I'm in need of some water. I'm not eating any tendies today. Maybe we'll see a spike. What I'm saying is, if you're out there and you're looking to put more money into something, there are a lot of other stocks that are running like hell today. Look at the pre-market. Bam. Orbital Energy Group. This RZLT up 30. Clouder up 24. Let's see. Top gainers in the after hours yesterday. There were some more on this list. I added them to my regular list. I don't know why they're not showing up here now. It's interesting. There we go. AEMD, 260% gain. Pretty much pre-market. It's fucking crazy. Checkpoint, 40%. SPI Energy, 39%. Geo Group, 41%. You guys want to think that AMC is the only dog in the race, and it's not. There's other dogs in the race, and they're winning the race currently. Whether or not they stay up there, I don't know. I couldn't tell you that. It's possible. It's possible they stay up high. It's possible that they crash and burn. It's possible that AMC crashes and burns. We're in a weird market, man. We are. And from what I've seen historically, since I've been doing this, is that this chart down here matters. That's what I'm going to say. Look at them go. What's problematic for us is that this big green spike followed by these red spikes, green spike, red, green, red, this green is getting smaller every time. Every single time, it's getting a little bit tinier. But the RSI is in a good spot to get bought up, so let's hope it goes up, man. Here's hoping. It's hoping it goes up. Outside of that, I don't have anything technical to give you. Not today. We'll see how it plays out long term. I did watch Kevin Pathrath's video last night on other short squeeze potentials, and they're all happening right around them. So that's where we're at, man. We're watching all of them. We're watching AHT. I'm going to watch this Arcimoto. Put that on the list. I'm going to put this AEMD on the list, even though that's just the straight shares. But I'm just curious to see what happens to it. It somehow hit $18 in the pre-market, and it sold off down to $8. So that's wild. And really, what's that? It was at $4, $3 and change, so 3 to 18. That's crazy, unbelievable. It's a super low volume stock, so it's very interesting. I just want to point these out because there are other things at play, and for you guys who are going to be like, well, this is the mother of all squeezes. Okay. All right. Well, we waiting. That's what we're doing. We're waiting. But I would not be surprised to see this open in the 54s again. It's not that far away from it. So that's where we're at, man. I'll stream it live. You can join the channel. We can talk about anything else that's going on. And hopefully we don't lose all our money today. Hopefully we make some good money. So I'll see you guys later.